good morning. What a beautiful, beautiful Friday before Easter. And we are so excited. We are here at 3403 Snead Street. We'll be having an open house here Saturday from 10 to 12. And we look forward to having everyone come by and preview this beautiful home. Move-in ready, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, almost 1,500 square feet, stainless steel appliances, screened-in porch, double garage. What else?
Great neighborhood, country club run, the community clubhouse and pools right down the street. Can't be beat. It's a good spot.
Yes, it is. It is a lovely, lovely place.
Awesome.
And Tiffany, you have one also Saturday.
I do. I'm going to be in Brandywine Bay at 404 Oakmont Drive. 2,100 square feet, great home with a great lot. Brandywine Bay is a golf club course community, also has a pool and a playground, very family friendly, just a wonderful neighborhood. I'll be there from 10 to 12 also, so come out and see me if you'd like to take a look.
So we have 2 great homes this weekend with open houses. We look forward to seeing you, and happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Bye.